Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. So today this is Mike here with Mike's Drones and More, and guys, we're going to be upgrading the Tiny Whoop. This is the 7mm that I built a couple weeks ago that I showed you guys. So this one we built with the Boss Sauce motors, and these are the 7mm motors, and they are the 17,500 kV motors. So today we're going to be doing another upgrade. So these are the new NOS sauce motors. So you can see right there, they are 18,000 kV motors. So these are the next step up in the upgrade process if you want to go much faster. You've seen how well these do out in flight. They do really, really good. These are supposed to give you even more punch and even more power. So what I'm going to basically do is it's going to be a very, very easy upgrade. I'm just going to take all the props off, take the top off, and then what I'm going to do is just basically pop out the motors, and I'm going to put these new ones in, and then we'll go and we will take them out. They're exactly the same size, and they're exactly the same color as these ones, so there's absolutely no difference. Now, like when you look at like the awesome sauce and the special sauce, some of them have different colors, but these are all basically the same. So, and again, this is the Beta FPV board. Cockroach doesn't make a board that will hold the 7mm motors yet. I'm hoping that they do, because I really, really like the Cockroach frame. So anyway, let's go ahead and I'm going to pause the camera here, and then what I'll do is I will go ahead and upgrade the motors, and then I'll be right back, and then we'll take it outside and we'll test this bad boy out, see how it does. Hope you enjoyed that flight. So as you can tell, the motors on this are absolutely great. I love these NOS sauce motors. They feel just like or very similar to the Awesome Sauce motors that they make for the 65mm frame. And what I'm flying on is just some G&B 260 milliamps. These are my favorite batteries that I like to use. So that's just my personal preference. But yeah, these definitely are worth the upgrade, definitely. If you like the Boss Sauce, you're definitely going to like these NOS sauce motors. Now the next one up is the Bald Eagle sauce, and I believe that's either 18,500 or 19,000 kV. And I'm probably not going to test those out. I might, who knows, you never know. But as of right now, I really like these motors a lot. They didn't really get they didn't get hot at all, and I got about 2.5 to 3 minutes worth of flight, which is pretty good, pretty average for your normal whoop. I did put it in acro mode. I was able to do a little barrel roll, so that was pretty cool. But yeah, these are definitely worth the upgrade. So if you're looking to upgrade your 7mm motors, you want some nice fast millimeter motors, the 7 mils. Definitely go with the NOS sauce. They are just really, really super nice. There's a picture of what they look like when you come in the box. So, but yeah, guys, I really enjoyed these a lot. So definitely, these are worth the upgrade. Absolutely, for sure. So if you liked the review of the motors, if you like the flight footage, hit the thumbs up button for me, guys. Let's keep our drones up in the air, flying high. I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks for hanging out.